In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to generate Kahoot quiz questions using AI from your synced Google Slides. For this demonstration, we've already synced our Google Slides to Kahoot. If you're unsure how to sync your Google Slides to Kahoot, we suggest you watch our tutorial on that topic. To generate quiz questions from your synced slides, begin by clicking on the Generate button. Then, click on the drop-down menu under Topic and select your slides. Under Experience, ensure that the quiz is selected before you proceed to click Generate. You'll have the option to choose the language for your results, the expected skill level of your target audience, the tone of voice you prefer, and how many questions you'd like the AI to generate. Once these preferences are set, click on Generate. The AI generator will now produce suggested quiz questions from your synced Google Slides. You can pick and choose the questions you prefer, or simply add them all with one click on Add All. The questions are now incorporated into your Kahoot, and you can arrange them as needed. And that's how you generate questions from your synced Google Slides. Thank you for watching.